naghahanap ng food. Sana yung favorite namin na restaurant, sana ay available sa Old Swiss Inn. Malapit din siya sa, ito kami sa likod. Aha. The Olympia. Nandito yung mga favorite naming pusa. Oh, it's open. There's a Christmas light. Thank you, Lord. Uy, amoy banana. What's that? Open.
I did not notice this.
Yeah, there's a 7-Eleven there.
I never noticed that.
So we're going to
Suwi na tayo ng GSM kapag
Old
Sunday.
Swiss
Ang mura
Inn.
kasi.
Yes.
Brillo, 400 lang. Pareho, one back and forth na yun.
Wow. So,
See?
we're here at the Old Swiss Inn. Thank you, Lord. Open siya. It's one of our favorite Old Swiss Inn.
I usually sit here. It's my spot.
Oh,
Okay.
this is mine. I'm going back to my mom.
Na kami.
Table for 3.
Yes.
What is side?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, finally you're open.
Yeah. Except Monday. The rest.
It's
Oh, they
open.
Yeah, here's our food menu. Excuse me, sir. That's the other set, ma'am. That's the other one set.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. See, ma'am?
Thank you. So, at the Old Swiss Inn.
Thank you.
What do you wanna eat?
Cheese.
Okay. We were going to pray. Magpipray muna kami. But I'm so happy available siya today. Ayan, nagtitingin na kami kung ano, Old Swiss Inn. Here are the prices. Pepper steak tazuri, mushroom zuri, corned beef caldereta, chicken, king salmon. Anong kinuha yun ng last? Sausages, sandwiches, and pasta. Dessert. Oh, they have Toblerone fondue. Banana fritters. Oh, banana fritters.
I'm gonna talk potato. We're gonna eat sausage potato.
Hello, Dylan.
Hello.
Dito siya ngayon. Old Swiss Inn. They have lengua lengua. And I'd like to take that taste that coffee. So, yan. Family day talaga. It's one of the best.
Are you ready to place an order?
Are you ready na?
Are you ready na?
Ah.
Sige.
The fondue? Ready na sila.
Okay, so I'll take the king salmon.
One king salmon, okay.
One potatoes.
Potatoes, it's gratinated potato with the cheese on top.
Can I get the list?
You want the roasty? Salmon with roasty? Okay. Salmon with roasty. This is
Yeah.
special.
Thank you. What about the others? What will you have?
Swiss and Delicacies.
Schnitzel.
At coffee. Tikman muna yung coffee and bread nila, and may mga kasama akong busy and you know, and
Yeah, because we have a battle later on, so we're
we have a
preparing.
battle later on.
In game, not
Yeah, in the game, in the game.
Hey guys, what can you say about your food?
This is my special
This is-
request.
the ziti. Ano yan?
Salmon king with
King
roasty
salmon.
potatoes.
Okay, and about Dylan, what's that? What's that food?
It's a shublig sausage with roasty potatoes.
Thank you. And I'm still waiting for my pasta.
Wait, what did you get?
Pasta. Because I'm sure na you're gonna get the same thing eh. So, diba? Ito na yung order ko na pasta. Cute size. Ayun, humingi ako. Tinry ko yung ano nila.
This is good.
Hindi lang.
Yeah, the
Ang
sausage
cute.
is good as well, too. I forgot my lips.
Then you can try the calamari and then the sauce, whichever sauce you want.
So, kinakain ko ngayon tong pasta. Super sarap ng pasta talaga nila. What can you say about your food?
It's good.
How good? Very good. It's my favorite. Roasty potatoes.
And you, Dylan, what can you say about it? Any review? Wow. So, well, that says a lot. Dylan doesn't need to talk because he's filled with yumminess.
Look behind
Okay,
you.
there you go, please.
Ayan, here
For
we
the
go.
chocolate s'mores.
Ayan, chocolate s'mores. She's
Thank you.
Thank you.
You also did that with Tito Bong, right? In Canada or no? You did not prepare s'mores in the
Kuya Tristan.
bonfire?
Kuya Tristan ate all of that
Oh.
chocolate.
Okay.
It's hot. Ayan. How do you do it? You'll just this one, right?
Yeah, or you
Okay,
use this
can you
too.
try? Are you not supposed to like
Put
You
it
can dip it.
directly. I'll just
can.
dip it. Oh, let's dip it.
uh-huh. Ito na. Come on, try it.
You first.
Super hot pa, no?
You first. Yeah, it's super.
Try natin siya.
Chocolate. S'mores.
Medyo mainit. Oh, wala naman. Hindi naman pala siya mainit. That's the fondue. Yummy. Hello! Ay, black and white. Ang cute-cute nila. Hi! Finished eating and they're wearing the same jackets, P1 and P2. And there's the cats there. And then there's the humans. There's humans here. Oh.
Can I
Hi!
go to the playground for content?
For content.
Yeah. And plus, this is the only time I got to go out and make contact with other kids.
Ate, maganda din yung bagsak ng gupit mo.
Oh, yeah.
Did you hear what they said? Alam mo ba po?
Maganda rin yung bagsak ng gupit
cat.
mo, no?
Kitty cat. Tell me the truth.
Yeah, it's us. Hello, Mommy. Look at the cat. It's waiting for us. This is like a sage. This is Will Byers.
It's not
Yeah.
Will.
It's Will. It's Will Byers. See? Told you.
No, it's not. I'm calling it.
Is it 11? Walking. Oh, that's Mike. Walking kami sa park today. After namin kumain to build some exercise.
Another one.
Ah, may bago to ngayon ah.
Puso number 3.
Where?
3.
Oh, 2, 3.
Hindi.
May 4 pa doon. Pusa. Ah, inaano na nga nila yung stage, no?
5.
This is part of the stage.
5.
Ay, namatay yung mga plants, sayang. Ala, ang cute ng pusa. Ha? Oh, wow. Wow, naman si Miming pagod. He's so cute. Sa Makati, Ayala Triangle. Hello, Dylan.
Hello. Playground.
Wait.
May nagbabalo na.
Kain kami ngayon sa Ayala Triangle. Kaya masaya sa Makati. It's one of our favorite spots. exercise galore talaga. And makaka-relax ka talaga. So this is the children's park. And it's one of my favorite buildings here. Ang Makati. It's our beloved Makati City. So my favorite city in the world is Makati. What a blessing here. Napakaganda ng Makati. Favorite city. Ayala Triangle. Next na part namin will be New York. We'll go there soon in Central Park. Oh, hello guys. Smile. Tayo tatlo. Hi! Mami Rich, hello!
My hand turned into a zombie. He's gonna press the stop button.
To the nether, come on. The door to another portal. Oh no, he's going to another portal.
I will actually go there and wet myself.
Hey. I really love this building. And then, maganda, meron na yung Birds of Paradise. Maganda siya. It's one of the best.
So they can see your face.
Ano na yung mga halaman. There you go. It's nice. That's Felix. Felix the cat. Dylan, you say hi to Mommy Ev. She's watching this vlog. Dylan.
Hello.
Hello, Mommy Ev.
Hi, Mommy. Yes.
What We're gonna go to Starbucks to complete yung stickers ni Ate Richie. Medyo mahaba lang yung pila pero na busy na sila nagsi-cellphone. Nagkamali sila sa order namin so she got her wish. Lalakad-lakad kami ngayon dito sa Toledo in Makati. We just had coffee. Masyadong gabi. Gabi na yan. Balik na lang tayo dyan. Okay, your mom wants to ask. She wants to live there. Christmas decors in Makati. Mamimiss namin ang Pasko. Sobrang mamimiss yung Christmas, lalo na if the Christmas lights are already down. But the spirit of Christmas is always with Jesus Christ. This might be our future condo. So, kuha tayo ng tatanong kami. Inquire kami. Mag-inquire kami dito. Yes, ano. Kasi big cut daw dito yung mga condo. Kami sa Jaime Velasquez Park at Christmas time. So, play park area. Wala nga alam masyadong maano dito pero still nice. Mas maraming kids kasi sa kabila. Pero may mga ganito sila oh. Yan. Which is encourages you to exercise. Ayun yan, di ba? Mas may exercise area siya. It's cool. Yan o. Bukas na kami mag-grocery. Dinagdagan nila ng mga ganyan.
Ay, sira tong isa. Sayang. You wait. I'll have your time. Hmm? Ano kaya yan? What's that? What is this? It's kind of a device.
Tai Chi.
Huh?
It's Tai Chi.
Tai Chi?
Tai
Or
Chi.
what? Let's wait for them
Stand
to...
facing equipment. Use left arm on left spinner. And right arm on right spinner. Springs. It's like this. It's like this. Mom, it's like this.
Oh, yung
I
exercise.
guess so.
Okay, you can... Ay, akala ko nga siya. Yeah, no, you can go up there. Huh?
This is how I use it.
What is that?
Oh, are you skiing? Are you skiing, sir?
I don't know. I thought she'd try.
I will.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow, this tests your balance. This is nice.
We're doing
Okay,
some
it's my turn.
exercise now.
Oh my god.
He's a kid. Teenager na siya. Hello, Dylan.
Oh wait, this is what the trend was about, you know.
Going back to
No,
Honolulu.
this one.
I know.
This one.
The Maui Wowie. Yeah.
No, not that. This one.
What trend?
The, that one.
May na-discover kang Unique Fresh Mart. Para siyang Korean store. Sa loob. Ay, may mga eggs saka veggies.
Eggs and veggies.
Ah, Korean, no? You might need something, you know. Ah, dito yung mga Korean. Ah, pero wala masyadong veggies na, no? Ito yung sinasabi mo Korean strawberry, no? That's the real deal.
And come here.
Ah, parang pareho din. Parang ano lang nila.
Oh, actually, I need cereal.
Kimchi. Ah, kimchi slice.
I need cereal.
No, not here, Balong. Malapit dun. Marami tayong pagbibilan dun. I just wanted to see kung ano meron dito. Kung may kakaiba. Parang ganun din. Parang neighborhood ano lang nila. no?
Oh, they don't have the small type.